Topic: mensuration. Areas and volumes of solid figures. The table below shows the volumes, the curved surface area and total surface area of solid figures. For the cube, the volume is L cube, the total surface area is 6L squared. For the cuboid, the volume is LBH, and the TSA is 2 open bracket LB plus LH plus BH. For the cylinder, the volume is pi r squared h, the curved surface area is 2 pi rh, the total surface area is 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r squared. Cone. The volume of a cone is 1 over 3 pi r squared h. The curved surface area is pi rl. Then the TSA is pi rl plus pi r squared. Sphere. The volume is 4 over 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere. The volume is 2 over 3 pi r cube. Question. Find the volumes and TSAs of the following. Take pi at 22 over 7. Number 1. A cube of length 4 centimeter. Solution. TSA 6L squared, that is 96 centimeter squared. Volume L cube, that is 4 raised to the power 3, that's 64 centimeter cube. Number 2, a cuboid of length 4 meters, breadth 6 meters, and height 10 meters. Answer: volume is LBH, which is 4 times 6 times 10, which is 240 meter cube. Then TSA is 2 open bracket LB plus LH plus BH, which is 2 open bracket 4 times 6 plus 4 times 10 plus 6 times 10 equals 248 centimeters squared. 3. A cylinder of height 10 centimeter, diameter 8 centimeter. Solution: radius is 4 centimeters, in diameter is 8 centimeter. Then volume is pi r squared h equals 22 over 7 times 4 squared times 10 equal to 502.86 centimeter cube. TSA 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r squared equals 2 times 22 over 7 times 4 times 10 plus 2 times 22 over 7 times 4 squared equals 352 centimeters squared. A cone of radius 8 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. Solution: the slant height can be gotten by using Pythagoras theorem, that is a squared plus c squared, that is square root of 100 equals 10 centimeters squared. The TSA is pi rl plus pi r squared, which is 20 over 7 times 8 times 10 plus 20 over 7 times 8 squared. When simplified, will give us 452.571 centimeters squared. The volume is 1 over 3 pi r squared h equals 1 over 3 times 2 over 7 times 8 squared times 6. When multiplied and simplified, we have 402.3 centimeter cube. That brings us to the end.